Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, where Biafra is not just only our identity, it is our faith. Here, we stand firm in our devotion to the cause and to our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, champion leader of the Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. We bring you bold. Why is an innocent man behind bars while known terrorists walk free? A concerned Igbo woman Lolo Neka speaks with raw truth and righteous anger, demanding the immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Her voice echoes the pain of a people who have watched injustice unfold for too long. She questions the silence of leaders, the imbalance of justice, and the selective blindness of power. This is not just a cry, it's a call to conscience. Let her words stir hearts, awaken minds, and remind us that peace cannot exist without fairness. The time to act is now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected to the heartbeat of the resistance. Thanks for watching, and may Biafra rise.
Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ anya mmiri juru m anya n'ụtụtụ a ọ na-afụgo n'ebe onye kidnapper onye terrorist na-agba egbe ka na-enye ya anaghị ya bịa were pistol mana nwa anyị nwoke nọ na nga na languish for doing nothing, for there raising his voice. Mana eji m ozi ọma na-abịa n'ụtụtụ a na-agwa unu mgbe oge chi ruru oge dịka ọrụ ebube ekwe mgbochi ga-etiwa n'ugo nke anyị ga-achake ọnọdụ ọbụla oge dịka ọrụ ebube ndị na-amaghị ga-amara ekwe na chinte ndị Igbo bụ onye mmeri agụ na-eche mba lele gwanụ ha agụ na-eche mba ga-eche ndị Igbo niile ehihie onye mmeri agụ na-eche mba agụ na-eburu Igbo gwanụ ha agụ na-eburu Igbo ga-eche ndị Igbo niile ehihie onye mmeri mgbe oge chi anyị ruru oge dịka ọrụ ebube ekwe mgbochi anyị ga-etiwa n'ugo nke anyị ga-achake ọnọdụ ọbụla oge dịka ọrụ ebube ndị na-amaghị ga-amara ekwe na chinte ndị Igbo bụ onye mmeri agụ na-eche mba lele agụ na-eche mba ga-eche ndị Igbo niile ehihie onye mmeri agụ na-eche mba agụ na-eburu Igbo agụ na-eche mba ga-eche ndị Igbo niile ehihie onye mmeri.
Comes back to her because she said no other
It
person.
is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Thank you very much. Comes back to her because she said no other
It
person.
is not possible. This persecution of the Igbo people, this orchestrated, almost global persecution of the people, stops with me. It cannot happen. It can never happen. That is why we do what we do. That is why I do what I do. I am campaigning for the freedom of my people because of the persecution that we are facing. It's as simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less.
Thank you very much.
We thank God for how much we have achieved since we made a clarion call of one Nigeria, one voice protest. We saw what happened in court yesterday. Nnamdi Kanu was refused to be released for his medical attention. And Nnamdi Kanu is dying in DSS custody. And that is why One Nigeria, One Voice protest is still on. Peaceful protest is our fundamental human right as citizens of this country. I have written to IGP. I have also written to the DSS director, and this protest is going to be peaceful on 1st of October at Igbo Square, Abuja. And I'm calling Nigerians with good conscience to support this clarion call online and offline. Online, those that will not make it to Abuja should push for this clarion call on the social media. And those that will sacrifice and make it to Abuja will come offline to support us in this call. This is not a call to anarchy. It is a call to challenge the constitution that actually fed Boko Haram with rice and chicken in Maiduguri by the same federal government. The constitution that actually romanced bandits in Katsina after killing Nigerians. It is a call to challenge the same constitution that have kept Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody and is battling with medical challenges. I am calling of all Nigerians with good conscience. It is a call to justice. It is a call to equity. It is a call for fairness. And it is a call against victimization of Nigerian citizens just because of his tribe. We need Nigerian support for the success of this protest. For the success of this protest, we need Nigeria to support us with branded t-shirt, hashtag Free Nnamdi Kanu. White t-shirt with Nnamdi Kanu picture, particularly this picture, for those that will not be able to make it to Abuja. And we also need Nigeria to support us with caps, green caps with the picture of Nnamdi Kanu on it. And we need Nigeria to help us with banners and hand flyers for the success of this protest. And we are calling of sincere and genuine Nigeria activists, both those with a loud voice and those with a small voice. I am calling on all Nigerian artists of good conscience. I am also calling Igbo as a nation and as a people. You have done sit at home for years and it did not work. It is time for you to leave your home and to join me for this clarion call in Abuja. This protest can also be done in all the eastern states. On the day of celebrating our Independence Day, which is supposed to be celebration of independence, but we are actually going to celebrate slavery by a government that is not sincere to her citizens. We are going to celebrate slavery by a government that has actually made her citizens slaves. May God